Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2019 Bentley BENTAYGA. This SUV came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Everything here looks perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. The hood is in excellent condition. I do see that above the headlight there's a little scratch right there. Very small. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks fine, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the driver's side doors. Perfect. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. Everything here looks fine as well. Let's have a look at the back of the SUV. Everything here looks fine, no dents, no scratches. I'm not seeing any wear and tear. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. I do see that on this quarter panel right here, there's some scratches. One right there, another one right here. The wheel is in good condition. I'm not seeing any curb rash. Let's take a look at the passenger side doors. Front and back door here look fine. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches. And now the last fender and wheel looks perfect. I'm not seeing any dents, no scratches in the fender, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. We're going to start with the driver's seat and work our way to the back seat. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Here, the passenger side looks good as well. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Okay, everything here looks good. There's no wear and tear at all. I'm not seeing any scratches or worn out buttons. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks perfect. I'm not seeing anything wrong with the steering wheel buttons, and the leather and stitching around the steering wheel is in excellent condition. So the interior of this SUV is in perfect condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.